Are you ready to sculpt soundscapes that defy expectation and ignite the imagination? Progressive rock is about pushing musical boundaries, weaving intricate rhythms, unconventional structures, and a tapestry of diverse influences into something truly epic. Let's break down how to start building your own prog masterpiece. First, dive into intricate rhythms. Think beyond the standard for quarters. Experiment with odd time signatures like 7/8, 9/8, or even constantly shifting meters. Layer polyrhythms, where two or more independent rhythmic patterns play simultaneously. This creates a captivating tension and forward momentum that's a hallmark of prog. Next, abandon traditional verse-chorus structures. Progressive rock thrives on evolving song forms. Think a journey with distinct movements, thematic development, instrumental passages that tell a story, and often, recurring motifs that tie everything together. Don't be afraid to let a section breathe, morph, or completely change direction. The blending of diverse influences is key. Prog is a melting pot. Incorporate elements from classical music, white Euro. Think intricate melodies and complex harmonies. Explore jazz fusion for improvisational freedom, and sophisticated chord progressions bring in folk for acoustic textures and storytelling. Even electronic music can add unique sonic palettes. The goal is to create a rich, layered sound that's uniquely yours. Technical prowess is important, but it serves the artistic vision. Develop your instrumental skills to execute these complex ideas fluently. Practice scales, modes, and advanced theory. However, remember that imagination and a desire to express something profound are the true engines of progressive rock. It's about building sonic worlds, conveying emotion, and taking your listeners on an unforgettable voyage. So, embrace the complexity, let your imagination soar, and start crafting your own epic soundscapes. The world of progressive rock awaits.